Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your April 2nd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading combined. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and you will be able to find your monthly reading. Let's see how the second week is going to be for you. First we will start with your love. So for your love you've got the Four of Stars and the Moon card. You could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that there's someone around you who has hurt you a lot. You have already maybe known about this situation, or you're about to find it out in the second week. Now, this is going to cause you a lot of hurt because you trusted this person, because this person showed you that they are there for you, but they had hidden intentions. They were not true to you at all. It could be that this person was jealous of you. If this is a friend or family, they were definitely trying to spoil your relationship, your marriage. So you have to be very careful in the second week of April. If this is your own spouse or partner, I do feel that they could be lying to you or hiding a truth from you, which was very important for you to know. So what you have to do, you do not have to share a lot of secrets with people because you don't know who you can trust or not. And if you want to know who you can trust, you will have to follow your intuition because I do see some sort of truth will be revealed to you. If no matter what other people are saying, if your intuition tells you that this person is not trustworthy or your partner is cheating on someone and this is who they are cheating with, you betcha, you are right, right? So please listen to your intuition. Even your dreams are trying to tell you something in the second week. So pay attention to your dreams, write it down in a diary, and they will give you the right messages. This is the time not to trust anyone else but your own self. There is someone around you who's trying to play a game with you which is not a very pretty game. It can be your own siblings, family, friends, or your own spouse as well. So be very, very careful because there is someone who has some hidden intentions. They could be telling you that I love you and only you, but they might be after your money, right? Or but they might be cheating on you with 10 other girls because they, just want to hook up. So be very careful because there is someone who's lying to you. Coming to your career, you've got the 10 of stars and a 9 of suns. Sorry. I do see that you could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. It could be a person in the office as well. I do see that there's a lot of office politics going on, which is again causing you a lot of stress and overthinking. I'm really sorry to say, but your love life and career life both are a little complicated around this time. Now you are getting into, you are getting into a lot of fights with your office people, or there is someone who's trying to attack you, bring you down, take your position, take your clients, right? That kind of situation, whether work, job, or business. I do see that you have to constantly defend yourself. Just like in your personal life, you have to guard your heart. You have to, guard your best interest. You have to do the same in your career as well. So this is a card which asks you to not take any major move, not change any job right now, not fight back for what is right, what is true, or what you think should be done, because this is a time to go back into your shell. So I will suggest to take a break in the second week. If you think this is getting out of hands, if you think you cannot handle it anymore, instead of retaliating or confronting anyone, please take a step back. Please spend time in the mountains or the beaches or wherever you feel most alive. You will find your answers over there. You will find a different perspective how to deal with these problems. This is not a time to attack. This is a time to defend yourself. And how do we do that? We try to hide somewhere. So take a break, go somewhere. Do not go to work if that's possible. If you have any leaves left, then I do suggest that just do not engage. This is not a time to engage. Let the second week pass. This will be for your own good. You will find a better week in the next week, better opportunities, better circumstances, better situations. This is a very heavy week for you, so you'll have to tackle it that way. Listen to your intuition and nobody else. Do not share too many secrets with anyone. Do not bitch about anyone in your office because that can backfire for you. No matter what everyone else is doing, even if they are doing, even if they are engaging, it's gonna backfire for you because your reading is heavy, right? Because your time is not going right. So be cautious, take this as a warning so that you can protect yourself and take the correct steps Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, so that you can get this weekly prediction in advance and prepare about the situation in advance. Okay, this will give you a first hand notification of your reading as well. So if you would like to book any personal reading or rituals with me, I do that as well. I also have audio and video sessions available now. So yes, if you would like to book one, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all the new launches, discounts, when to do the rituals, how to do the rituals, and what are the rituals that I perform on your behalf over there. So please email me or Instagram me to book the reading. Very cheap, very easy rituals also. The email and the Instagram options are available, and the names are available with the correct spellings in my description box and my bio. So do contact me. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.